Hello to all adrenaline junkies out there. Welcome to Chase Zone, where justice hits the gas. Get ready for high-speed police chases, heart-pounding action, and the wildest moments ever caught on camera. Hold on tight, because your heart's about to race. And hey, they say good luck comes to those who like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's roll.
24 horse.
At approximately 5:50 p.m. on April 6, 2025, police received a report of a stolen vehicle heading southbound on Highway 65 near Damascus. Once the vehicle was located, officers activated their lights and sirens in an attempt to initiate a traffic stop, but the driver refused to pull over. To prevent a dangerous high-speed pursuit that could endanger public safety, officers executed a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, just south of the Highway 225 interchange. The vehicle spun clockwise and slid into a grassy shoulder on the west side of the road. The driver, later identified as Jeremiah Webb, was taken to the ground by Officer Earls and taken into custody without incident. The stolen vehicle was ultimately returned to its rightful owner.
Vegas or Old Town of Houston to the trip for two. It's where? And 2 tickets to Beyonce's Cowboy Carter 2.
What the f was that?
I don't know. Yeah, man, that's my truck. That's my truck.
I didn't dig it up too bad, man. Ignorant.
I told you to get up. Boy, you thought you was slick, didn't you, man?
Hey, you got someone to pick this up, buddy?
Yeah, I'll get somebody.
Okay.
I'll be 24th that vehicle on 181 just south of 8.
On May 28, 2025, at approximately 2:20 p.m., police received a report that Gage Betts, wanted on a felony warrant for violating parole, had cut off his ankle monitor and was fleeing in a gray Nissan hatchback SUV. The suspect vehicle was seen heading northbound on 3rd Street, crossing Garland Street. As officers followed through Garland, they encountered slowed traffic and were able to successfully perform a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, on 3rd Street near Main Street.
Giles Brown 1037. Westbound coming up on 3rd Street. David Boyd 49213, DB 49213, Illinois. It's a gray Nissan Kicks. Since I can get to where I can pit it, I'm going to.
10 Porter. All units in 63, 240, 225.
The suspect's vehicle crashed into a tree, a concrete retaining wall, and a flight of steps, causing significant damage to both the wall and the stairs, and completely destroying the tree. The driver was taken into custody without further incident. On June 13, 2025, a white pickup truck led Florida Highway Patrol officers on a heart-pounding chase. Buckle up and witness the wild pursuit unfold right here. And don't forget to subscribe to Chase Zone for more unbelievable police chases and real-time takedowns.
John, show me your hands. Put your hands up. Walk over the guardrail. Walk towards me. Get on the sidewalk, lay flat on your stomach, hands out like an airplane.
10-4. I'm gonna have the acting US call you.
On January 1st, 2025, at approximately 10:09 p.m., Florida Highway Patrol Trooper David Blake was conducting routine patrol in Lee County, Florida, when he spotted a white SUV traveling at 80 miles per hour on CR 884 in a zone with a posted speed limit of just 45 miles per hour. Recognizing the vehicle's excessive and aggressive speed as a clear threat to public safety, Trooper Blake activated his emergency lights in an attempt to stop the vehicle for reckless driving and speeding. However, the SUV refused to yield, prompting a pursuit. To bring the dangerous situation under control, officers performed a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, forcing the SUV to a stop. Shortly after, the driver was taken into custody and transported to the station, before things could escalate any further.
I'll just turn around. Don't need any more 94.
A gray Range Rover was speeding at approximately 90 miles per hour in a 65 mph zone when it ultimately slammed into an elderly woman's vehicle at an intersection.
I'm never going to go back to our school, Fifth Street. He has a flat tire. He will not spin the tire. Singapore 45th and North Shore. Let me see your hands! 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 He's on the paper. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
We're still going eastbound 45th.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! No, these hands. Let me see your hands! Both hands out of the car! No!
The driver was taken into custody at the scene. A subsequent search of the vehicle revealed a large quantity of marijuana and cocaine. This time there's no way out for the driver. The ride is officially over.
Walk back, use me! Do not look at me! Walk back! Walk back! Walk Hands behind your back.